Hi everyone. The last video I have explained you how can we execute the Python file in the terminal, which is Anaconda terminal or Python terminal. Okay. So today I will write the script as well as run the code in the Anaconda terminal itself. What is the difference? Earlier I have written the Python script and saved in the Python file and executed in the Anaconda terminal that I have shown you in the last video. Today, I will write the code not in the script file. I will do it that same in the terminal. How I can do that? Let's see. So I will type Anaconda prompt. I will open this. If you open this, you will see the base location at gate. No problem. So instead of going to this location, I can write directly Python. If I press enter now, it will have, we can now from now we can write the code. Say print double quotes, hi, I am Dheeraj. If I press enter now, it is executed. Hi, I am Dheeraj. Same thing. S equals to, if I say take the string input keyword to give the user input. Hi, I am the Dheeraj. Print S. Okay, what happened here? In where you see the arrows, there I have uh, aiming to give the input string input. Then if I press enter this, it will execute each and every line. Then I have give the string input. In the next step, I have executed the variable s by using the print function. So I have read the what is the value inside s using print keyword. What is the main difference? In the Python script, it will execute entire file and debug it and will execute at a time. Whereas in the terminal, it will execute line by line. See, if you see here, I have written a full code. If I run this, then it will execute. It will execute all the script at a time. That's why, as we are entering the string, it will give the output, which is entered string is hi I am there. Whereas here, as I am writing s equals to input, then pressing enter, it is asking for the input. Not like this after completing everything. This is line by line execution. If I say s is equals to input, please enter a string. If I press enter, if you see here, it is asking as I am entering for each line, it is asking to input, give the input. I am here is print s. Hi, I am Dheeraj. This is how you can execute the Python code in using the Anaconda prompt or command prompt, which has belongs to Python, which is belongs to Python. So without opening any script, I can simply write the code here itself. So once again, I will explain you. I will explain you. Anaconda prompt. Now type python Python. Enter. Print. Hi, I am Dheeraj. Enter. Print s. Sorry. Okay. Uh, s is equals to input say some random characters, print as enter. In the same way, now you can use the upper arrow or down arrow in the keyboard so that it will give trace back whatever the command that you have executed just now. So I am simply using the down up and or down arrow to execute whatever the command that I have executed till now. I am oh, sorry here. Please enter input. I am Dheeraj. Print S. By enter this, I am Dheeraj. Or else entered input is this is how you can execute without opening any script. You can execute in the command prompt also. That's it. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can post in the comments. I will solve them in the next video. Thank you.